So hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are diving into the topic Copilot in task and project. So grab a seat, hit the like button and let's get started. So your personal AI assistant is always ready to help when you are planning a project or creating a new. Copilot can easily come up with a brief and understandable task description based on your prompt and even offer a checklist that appropriate for the task. So you have to click on the create option and mention the task name. You can ask the question from the Copilot and the Copilot will generate the answer from to you. So here you have other options. If the answer is generated by the Copilot, then you can also create the checklist for that answer. So Copilot will create the checklist for that. It is easy access to Copilot in task and comments. So as you can see, the checklists are created on the basis of the task. We on the basis of the question we have searched from the Copilot. So you don't have to read every comment under every task to understand what it's just about and what the current status is. Just ask Copilot to give you a task summary. You can ask the summary from the Copilot also. You can create the checklist in one click. You can break down a long wordy task description into a series of steps and add them as a checklist to the task. Just I shown you before. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.